Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step practically how you can complete the sex.io margin trading task, right? I've seen a lot of videos and YouTubers, most of them, they will just make the videos and they will say you are going to do it this way, this and that, and so most of them actually do it on the app. Meanwhile, you may likely not complete the trading on the app if you don't know how to navigate it. So this video is going to show you practically how you are going to do it, and we'll do it live. But before we do that, there are 2 or 3 things I want to show you first and foremost, so that you know how to go about this sex.io and get yourself positioned for better allocation. This is not just ordinary airdrop or this telegram tap to earn airdrop. This is a centralized an existing centralized exchange airdrop, and this particular token is going to be the native token of this exchange. I've made about 2 videos or so on this particular exchange where I gave a strategic processes where you can, or how you can actually accumulate. You can see what I have here already. I have a whole lot of this, okay, 14 million, and you can see my mining per hour. You can see I've already accumulated crypto balance of this, which I'm going to use to level up to reach to the highest level right in this video. Now this is not without strategy, okay? Now I've seen a lot of people, they are only trying to like accumulate either this to level up or accumulate either this to just to, in fact, few people have up to this number. Let me know in the comment section if you have up to 14 million XP, because this is what really matters. But all this, they also matter, even the yellow coin. And I've made a detailed video where I gave a strategic way where you can accumulate and build all together, and that's exactly what I've done. Now if you follow it, it's just few weeks, you should be able to accumulate something like this. If I go to my squad, you're going to see as many that adopted that strategy. You can actually test, okay, in the comment section. So first and foremost, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to convert this to level up to the very highest level before we continue to do the trading, right? So I'm going to click on convert. Remember that the level really matters, and I'm going to convert everything. Now if you watch that video, I will leave the link in the description, but you're going to see the explanation I gave and how to use this, and then how to also take advantage of the mine section to be. If I go to my mine section now, you see that almost all my cards are upgraded to the last limit. So I'm going to convert everything, and by that conversion I would have leveled up because I already have 51 million of the game coins. So plus this, that is going to be over 1 billion game coins, and that is what is needed to level up to the last level, which is also very important according to sex.io. So the Vibranium miner. So let's just do it right away, and let's convert to level up, and voila, we have leveled up to the very last. Now I am still going, after the video, I'm still going to exhaust all this in upgrading the remaining card that I have. Okay, so that is settled. Anything level is settled now, and I believe this 1 billion should take me to around 17 million XP, which is the coin that is now needed. So that is number one thing I want to show you, and you need to watch this video. I'll leave the link in the description box. You are going to see a picture of the annotation that I made. As you adopt it, you are going to level up. So that is one. Then secondly, now this is the app. This is the sex.io app. Make sure you have completed your KYC. And to tell you how serious this is, if you click on trade, you are going to see all these coins. Now if you click on any one, then you are going to see sell or buy. Now this is normal spot trading, and this is called order book. Okay, this is called order book, right? And you can see that there is trades going on this exchange. Now it might not be very popular in this part of the world, but in the UK and in other European countries, this exchange is popular. So imagine, for instance, Binance has their native token to be BNB, and the current price is trading at 748 USD currently. Then Bitgate has BGB as its native token, and is trading at $1.8. All these tokens actually started at 0 point something dollars. So imagine you being actively involved in this, and like I say, this is order book and trade is going on this particular exchange. That you are not trading doesn't mean it's not. So all these things you are seeing moving, these are people buying and selling, and depending on the coin as well, you can have heightened activity. For instance, if you go for BTC pair, you're going to see that you have heightened activities as well, right? So that is one. I'm showing you this so that you know how to be serious with it. Now, secondly, the task of margin trading, you cannot complete it on this particular app as it is now. Okay, although there is a way you can navigate it. Let's go back to the wallet session. Although there is a way you can actually navigate it, okay, but you want to start from the Telegram bot so that you click on the complete task and then it will redirect you to your browser. So you don't have to come here that you want to trade, because what you'll be doing here is more or less spot trading and it's not going to be margin trading. But before we go into that, okay, now I want us, you can actually deposit from here. So to deposit, you click on receive. Let's make deposit first. Now I want to deposit USDT, and then you are going to choose the network that is available here. Okay, now we have Binance Smart Chain, we have Ethereum, that is ERC20, we have Solana network, and we have TRC20, that is Tether TRC20. So I'm considering the charge. Okay, so this is going to give me a lower charge, so I'm going to be depositing using the Binance Smart Chain, and of course the minimum deposit for almost all of them is 5 USDT. So I'm going to click on this now, and then I will head over to my exchange, the exchange of my choice, because you need money to trade margin trading or any form of trading. So and then most of the margin trading, you are going to see most of the pairs will require nothing less than 5 USDT to trade. So you copy it. There are other ways you can actually deposit, but let's use this one. Then I'll go to my Gate.io and make a deposit. You can go to any exchange of your choice where you have your funds. So I'll click on my assets. I'm sorry, the video might be a bit lengthy, but it's what it. Click on withdraw, and then USDT, and of course Tether, and then click on on-chain withdrawal, and of course I'll paste my address, and then I will choose the network. Remember, it was Binance Smart Chain, so yeah, it has the least fee here, which is approximately 0.5 USDT. Then what I have here is my balance. I'm going to withdraw everything. I'll click on max, and then I'll click on withdraw, and I'll go ahead to authenticate. So let's get back to the app to see if it has reflected. So we'll just go back and of course refresh. Okay, you can see we now have this. Okay, remember I was having a few cents, so we now have this now on the app, right? So we'll go back to that app, the Telegram Sex.io app, and then we are going to go to the tax section, and we are locating that particular tax. You can see complete your first margin trade. Now I already gave you reason why we should do this. Then you click on here. When you click here, you're going to be redirected to your browser, although you could actually access this from that app, but we're not going that route. So when you're here, you are going to click on trade, start trading, and then see that it's going to prompt you to log into your account. Okay, now just click off, and of course you are going to now click on this place, and you are going to see sign in. Okay, now you are going to log in with your login details that you're using opening your Sex.io account, your email and your right password. So I will do that right away, and then you hit on continue. You wait for it to load. So you are logged into your account now. If you click here, you are going to see your details. Okay, this is your profile details. Now this is spot trading right now. Okay, now you want to click on this place, click on that drop down menu, and you are going to see, okay, it's already on margin trading, but in case it's not on margin trading, you just click here. You can see margin trading is new, so if you click there, by default it's going to be, may likely be on spot trading. So when you click that place, then you switch to margin trading. So we are clicking on it now, and then we'll be taken back to this chart, right? So this is where you want to do the trading right away. Now you can actually buy or sell. By margin trading, or is you are trading with leverage, and leverage simply means that you are trading with borrowed money. So if assuming you want to trade $100 worth of assets, but you do not have $100, you have $10. So you are going to choose leverage of 10, so that 10 times 10 will give you 100. So one thing about leveraging is that it can give you massive profit, it can also give you massive loss. So you trade with caution, right? So by default they have already put the maximum leverage to be 10. So remember, we are not really doing proper analysis here, because we just want to complete the task, and it is very important you complete the task. So but like I said, the maximum leverage is also 10. So what do you do here? Let's just say we can click here to choose the pair you want to trade, and already by default, since we deposited USDT, we are using our USDT wallet. There are about 3 wallets actually. If you click there, you're going to see you have Ethereum wallet and BTC wallet. So but it is USDT wallet that will have funds, so we are okay with that, and have BTC pairs. From the look of things, although this particular pair, which is BTC, may likely drop down to this 94,000, but at this moment it may likely push up a bit. So you can actually click here to choose any other pair you want to trade, but I'm okay with this BTC USDT since it is just to complete the task. So we want to put for long. Long simply means to buy, while short means to sell. So we are clicking on long, and then here is where you are supposed to select your leverage. You can see by default is on 10 as the max. We want to long, and of course the margin is already isolated margin, so we are going to impute the amount we want to trade with here. So what you are going to do is, if you look here, you're going to see usable margin, okay, and then required margin. So you see this icon, you're going to drag it. If it is 50% of this your usable margin that you want to use, you drag it to the middle. If it is 75%, drag it to this point, right? So we are just going to drag it now. So as you are dragging, you are watching the amount that is appearing. So we're just going to drag, and of course to this point, yes, and then you are going to see that this is required margin. Okay, for that level we have dragged it to, the required margin is 4.6. let's just drag everything. Okay, so let's just have around 5. Yes, you can see I have 5 now, because most of the pairs will require you to do that, to have minimum of 5. Then we're going to click on long, and then you can see the breakdown, the details of the contract. Then you click on long, and then you can see position successfully taken. Okay, but from the look of things, it may likely not favor us. While we are doing the analysis, the market is going down already. So but for the sake of this video, I didn't check again, otherwise we would have gone short. But that's just for the purpose of this video, right? I can actually go ahead and close this trade right now. So if I had checked again, would have gone bearish as well. But let's see how it goes. Even though I know the trade will still go up for a bit before, so I can just decide to close the position now. And to do that, I'll just click here and go ahead to close it, right? close position. As you can see, we are in profit, little profit, and I'm closing it right away. I'll confirm, and voila, so we have closed even in profit. And that's exactly, you have completed the task. You then go back to your app, and of course your Telegram app. You go back to, actually would have been in profit already, we've made small profit. So you go back to your Telegram app. So here we are. Remember, your account is linked to the app, and of course, since you've logged in with your login details, we have closed it, and we are going to click on check. Voila, we have completed it. You claim the reward, 100,000 XP. And that's exactly how you complete this task, step by step. I'm sorry the video is long already, but it's worth it, so that you don't go and be doing something else because of the confusions on the internet about how to go about doing this. You mustn't have a PC to do this. You can use your mobile phone. Just follow this stepwise manner to complete it. If you have any other confusion or concern, or you need more guidance, then leave your questions in the comment section. You can as well join my Telegram channel, so that we will continue giving you guide and strategies on how to maximize this kind of opportunity. So before I say goodbye, let me know if you have up to this number of power, mining power, that is sex peak balance. And of course, if you have reached level 10, let us know in the comment section, and I'll be talking to you in my next video. Many thanks for watching. Bye.